How to delete duplicate files on PC. There are several methods including File Explorer, PowerShell, and Batch File. Let's try first method using File Explorer. First, open the folder where you want to delete duplicate files. In the search bar, type the file extension with a dot, for example .jpg, and hit enter. There you can easily find duplicate files. You can also filter the files by name, size, or date created to narrow down the duplicates. Once you've found them, simply delete the duplicate files. Let's also try the second method using PowerShell. Press Window+R to open the Run dialog. Then type PowerShell and hit enter. Next, this is the PowerShell script, which you can find in the description. Now there, update the destination path to the folder or drive where you want to remove duplicate files. Here, we've set our destination path for removing duplicates. Once you've replaced it, copy the entire script, paste it into PowerShell, and press enter. That's it. Now, you can also try the batch file method for an alternative approach. Here's the batch file script. Open this in Notepad. Now, update the destination path to the folder where you want to remove duplicate files. After replacing the path, go to File and click Save As. Change Save as Type to all files, then set the file name with a .bat extension. Click Save, and your batch file will be created. Now, right-click on the batch file and select Run as administrator. In the window that appears, press any key to continue. Once the process completes, simply type Yes and hit Enter to delete the duplicate files. And that's it. These methods work well, but sometimes they may not be effective for certain cases. For a 100% reliable solution, you can use SysTools Duplicate File Finder and Remover. It's easy to use and guarantees accurate results. This is the SysTools Duplicate File Finder and Remover interface. On the right, click Add Folder. Then select the folder or drive where you want to remove duplicate files. Keep the settings as default. Then click Continue. At the top right, enable Recursive. This will scan all duplicate files and display their sizes. Now, click the Delete button. Choose Current Folder and all child folders, then click Yes to continue. Click Yes again to start the process. And that's it. Your duplicate files are now removed. And that's it. That's how you can remove duplicate files using these methods.